Welcome to blackandwhite.com. We are excited to have you here and dive into the world of knowledge. Let's learn something new and exciting together. Thanks for joining us. Ready to level up your coding workflow? This video will walk you through the essential Git commands every developer needs to master. From basic tracking to branching and merging, we'll make Git your new best friend. Let's dive in and boost your productivity. What is Git? Git is your essential tool for managing code. Think of it as a super smart way to keep track of every change you make to your project. This means you can easily go back to previous versions, experiment with new features without fear, and even see exactly who changed what and when. It's the foundation for collaboration, making sure everyone on your team is on the same page. Now, where does GitHub fit in? GitHub is a fantastic online platform built around Git. It provides a central place to store all your Git managed projects. More importantly, it's where you can share your code with others, collaborate seamlessly on projects, and manage different versions of your work. It's the social network for developers, making teamwork a breeze. Clone. First up is the git clone command. This is how you get a copy of a remote repository from a place like GitHub onto your local machine. Think of it as downloading an entire project so you can start working on it. You simply use git clone _repository _URL greater than and you're ready to go. Init. When you start a brand new project, you need to turn it into a Git repository. That's what git init is for. Running this command in your project directory creates a new, empty Git repository, setting up all the files and folders Git needs to start tracking your work. Version. Ever wonder what version of Git you are using? Just run git version. This simple command displays the currently installed version of Git on your system. It's a quick way to check if you have the latest updates or if you need to troubleshoot a version-related issue. Status. The git status command is your best friend. It gives you a clear overview of your current working directory. It tells you which files have been modified, which ones are ready to be committed, and which new files are waiting to be added. It's the perfect way to see the state of your code before you do anything else. Add. The git add command stages your changes, preparing new or modified files to be included in your next commit. Commit. Use git commit to save a snapshot of your staged changes with a descriptive message, creating a permanent record. Amend. The git commit amend command lets you modify the most recent commit, which is useful for fixing a mistake or adding a forgotten file. Remote. The git remote command allows you to connect your local repository to a remote server, like GitHub, to push and pull your changes. Branch. Git branch lets you create independent lines of development. This is essential for working on new features without affecting the main code. You can check, create, rename, navigate, and even delete branches to keep your workflow organized. Push. Git push origin branch uploads your local commits to the remote repository, sharing your work with others. Pull. Git pull origin branch fetches changes from the remote repository and merges them into your local branch, keeping your code updated. Diff. Git diff branch _name helps you compare differences between commits, branches, or files, showing what has changed. Log. Git log displays a history of all the commits made in your repository, showing who made them and when. This slide covers how to undoing changes in Git, broken down into 3 cases. Case 1. Staged changes. Git reset file _name. This command unstages a specific file, moving it back to the unstaged state. Git reset. Reset all. This command unstages all changes that have been staged, returning them to their original modified state. Case 2. Committed changes. For 1. Git reset head ~1. This command moves the branch pointer back by 1 commit. It effectively uncommits the most recent commit, and its changes become unstaged. Case 3. Committed changes. For many Git reset commits. # This command moves the branch pointer back to a specific commit. Changes from commits after the specified # will become unstaged. Git reset hard commit #. This is a more forceful command. It moves the branch pointer back to a specific commit and discards all changes made after that commit, both staged and unstaged. Use this with caution, as it can lead to data loss. Method 1. Using git merge. The first way is by using the git merge branch _name command directly. You would switch to the branch you want to merge into, like main, and then run this command with the name of the branch you want to bring in. Method 2. Using pull requests on GitHub. The second, and often preferred, method is using a pull request on a platform like GitHub. A pull request is a way to propose changes from one branch to another. It provides a space to discuss the changes, review the code, and collaborate before the merge is finalized. Untracked, these are new files that Git isn't yet tracking. Modified, an existing file that has been changed. Staged, a file that has been marked to be included in the next commit. Unmodified, a file that has not been changed since the last commit. What we learned are the fundamental Git commands. We started with git clone and git init to set up projects. We then covered add and commit to save our work locally. We learned to collaborate using push and pull, and how to manage features with branch and merge. With these commands, you have everything you need to start collaborating. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was helpful. For more content, visit our website at www.blacksandwhite.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Blacks and White. Keep learning and stay safe.